So I'm often asked in consultations, what's the best advice for patients who want to keep on top of their youthful appearance for business purposes, personal satisfaction, relationships. What's the main philosophy that I would advise patients to adhere to or think about before they jump into a hair restoration procedure or any type of cosmetic or aesthetic surgery to enhance your natural appearance? The first thing I'd like to say is this is not medical advice because every case is different, so go and see your own individual provider. But as a general sort of viewpoint and opinion, I think as long as your condition is not medical, in that there's not an underlying medical condition, one must accept that this is the natural trajectory of Mother Nature. We are all under the control of genetics. If you have blue eyes, you're destined to have blue eyes. If you have black hair, you're going to have black hair. If you have the genes for hair loss in terms of androgenetic alopecia, this is not a medical condition. You're not sick. It's simply the fact that in society in today's world, we value hair. There was a time when we go back to the Roman Empire and we had people like Caesar, who was deemed to be very attractive and sexually appealing because he had no hair on the top. And the Romans often thought this was very masculine and attractive because this was a byproduct of having too much testosterone. At least that's what they thought. So times have changed, cultures changed, and society's changed. So if your husband or your man has lost all of his hair, perhaps you find that very attractive. Who are we to decide? But if you do decide that you want to keep your hair for various reasons, and it's a personal choice, then here are a few home truths that I think you should really go away and think about. So the first point is Mother Nature is always going to win. If you're destined to have thinner hair because of androgenetic alopecia, that's what's going to happen, unless we intervene. And that intervention is often with maintenance therapy, using medications, and or surgery. So in having said that, if you are going to go along this path and you want to have hair, it's going to require effort. It's going to require understanding that the things you do will carry some risks. Very, very small risk, but that's for you to make up your mind. And finally, anything with anti-aging, it's going to involve a cost, because obviously if you're going to have some work done or taking medications or maintenance therapy, these things cost money. It's people's time and expertise. I often liken it to going to the gym. As we get older, you simply don't have a nice physique by sitting at home on your bottom eating biscuits all day. It comes from waking up early, and especially as you get older, like I am right now, you have to really make even more of an effort because you are fighting against Mother Nature. So with hair loss, hair transplantation, skincare, etc., yeah, for sure, you're going to have to invest some money, some time, some maintenance. And I do think as you get older, this becomes even more and more of an issue. But it's entirely personal choice. Some people are like, it doesn't bother me, I'm okay to gracefully age with, the natural cadence of life. Absolutely, you go be you. But for some patients who make that decision and don't want to look like a pack of broken biscuits by the time they're 50, there are options, and these are the options out there.